Welcome to Christini's Ristorante Italiano, Orlando's premier fine dining Italian restaurant. For over 2 decades, we have been serving award-winning Northern Italian cuisine, prepared with only the freshest and highest quality ingredients. Each dish is a culinary masterpiece, presented with astonishing attention to detail. Our menu features a wide range of traditional and contemporary Italian dishes, all prepared using time-honored recipes and techniques. From our classic Fettuccini Alfredo to our succulent Filet Mignon, every dish is a testament to our culinary expertise. One of the things that makes Christini's truly unique is our commitment to using only the finest ingredients. Our extra virgin olive oil and olives come directly from our own farm in Europe, and our jumbo olives are available for purchase. We also offer a private ivy room, perfect for hosting private parties and executive functions. If you are looking for an unforgettable Italian dining experience, look no further than Christini's Ristorante Italiano. Make your reservation today and prepare to be amazed. Go to https://www.christinis.com.